I got this recipe from nowhere. Trust me, I don't even know what I'm cooking. What I did first, I fried some shrimps, I diced some onions and tomatoes, I diced some kale, and I also diced some tofu. After frying the shrimp, I fried the tofu in the shrimp oil with some seasoning. And when it's done, I'll put back the shrimp, the onions, and the kale. Ask me what that is. I don't know. My tofu was burning, but I just turned it now and I tasted one. And it did taste good, honestly. So let's bring back our shrimp and our onions. Or should I take out the tofu? Let me take out the tofu so it doesn't like turn to cracks. It's actually my first time working with tofu. And I decided to still leave it for a few minutes to, let it fry a bit more. Honestly, if this is a good recipe, then we have to do this again. But I feel it's healthy because tofu is very healthy, shrimps is healthy, vegetable is healthy. Good combination. What do you think? It is delicious. Honestly, I tasted one of the tofu and it's delicious also. Now let's take out the tofu. It's beautifully fried now and a bit more firm than when we first started. So let's take them out. Tofu's out, and in the same pan I'm going to pour back my onions, tomato, and shrimps. Let's fry that for a while. Then we'll put our other ingredients. Our onions is nice and translucent now, so I'm adding some good diced habanero pepper. Let's give that a little mix here. Now it's time to add our kale. Now let's give that a good mix. Add a little seasoning, just a teensy tiny salt. And some chicken seasoning powder. Am I the only one that sometimes uses the cover of seasoning? No, I'm not. I know you do. We all do sometimes. Alright, give that a good mix, let it cook for a while, and we'll be back. Our vegetable is nice and cooked, so let's add in our tofu. And give that a good mix. Our tofu, shrimp, vegetable is ready. Delicious and healthy. I'm excited. My latest invention. My latest kitchen invention. The tofu is so delicious. So I just covered it up and I'm just going to let it cook for like a minute or so. And our delicacy should be ready. I'm excited. So just a close-up picture of the tofu, in case you didn't see it very well earlier on, of the package. This is how it came. I just cut it. There was water inside it. I poured it out. And this tofu is made from ingredients. See, water, soybeans, calcium sulfate, calcium chloride. But basically, soybeans. or soybeans. And I saw that there were different types of this tofu. This is the first time I'm buying it, and I was like, let's just try it out. I've heard so many things about tofu, good things about tofu. So why not? Let's try it out. This has been cooking for about a minute now, and we are ready to try our latest invention. Our latest invention. Let's put some in the plate. Yes, looks yummy, feels healthy. So let's give it a taste test. This looks so good and so healthy. Let's taste it. It's so hot. So delicious. Vegetables still crunchy. Tofu, nice and healthy and delicious. Let's get some shrimp with it. Some shrimp and some tofu. What a wonderful combination with some vegetables. Oh, tofu is escaping. Okay. I hope I don't finish it all up, because someone is waiting to taste my invention. He's waiting patiently. Oh. Oh my God, this has been an amazing one, a wonderful invention. Let me know if you're willing to try it. Try it and let me know. Honestly, it is delicious. 10 out of 10 minus nothing. Delicioso. Absolutely enjoyed it. Coming back for second rounds, guys. We all enjoyed it. We both enjoyed it. Like, sumptuous. The tofu, the shrimp, the vegetable, the onions, and the pepper. It just melts in your mouth and gives you that delicious flavor, delicious crunch from the vegetable, crunch from the shrimp, and softness from the tofu. You know, it is just delicious and healthy. All right, let me know in the comment section if you would like to try it out. As for me, we'll try it again and again and again. That's how delicious it is. All right, thank you all so much for watching. I got the tofu from Winco, by the way, from their fridge section. I'm sure you can get it from any supermarket around you. Just check. You might be able to get it. There are different variations, but just look for tofu. Get kale, shrimp, and you make this delicious recipe. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Let me go enjoy my tofu and shrimp with kale. Did you like it?
Beautiful, excellent, delicious.
Oh, really?
It's really nice. I love it.
Oh, wow. I'm glad you like it.
Yeah, it tastes sweet, sumptuous, delicious.
And healthy.
Yes, especially because of the vegetables.
And the tofu is protein. You know, some people eat tofu and they don't eat meat. Like they use tofu as meat. They use mushrooms as meat. So the tofu as well makes it taste good.
Yeah,
Right?
beautiful. Thank you. Yeah, excellent.
Do you want to try it again another time? Should I make it again another time?
Yes, and yes.
Okay, all right. Thank you for. Oh wow, he's enjoying it. He's really enjoying it. He's truly. Oh wow, he truly likes it. All right. I'm glad you like it.
I do know I will.
Oh, but you do, right? That's it. Trust my inventions. Trust me. I got it. Just let me hurry and join this man before you finish it.